so it was unexpected.
Mic check 1 2 3. Hello.
Yeah, so in just matter of 3 hours, we were able to shape a prototype, and it was quite fun. As I would say, like it's a chota packet bada dhamaka.
I loved the experience at the hackathon. It was a 3.5 hours power-packed hackathon. A lot of new things to learn in this hackathon about Apify, about Hack This Fall, about the community, and love to meet a lot of new people too.
The mentors were like really supportive. Okay, so I consulted him like 5-6 times. Okay, this is not working, and he was there to help me out.
I like the way it was organized and the flow was really nice. Like we had a workshop in the starting, and then we started developing, and we were given a time, and everybody was really motivated. So that was really good.
I think the feeling of the community or the feeling of belonging, I barely knew 3 to 4 people here, but then the moment I entered, it felt like, okay, this is where I belong.
It was pretty seamless. It was the first time I used Apify, and it never felt overwhelming. The documentation was super on point. Saurav was super helpful in helping us out in person, and I was able to ship it without any errors and demo it live, and nothing broke.
So it was great, like learning about the models and deploying it on the ecosystem as well. So looking forward for the 1 million challenge as well. They have hosted.
It was really nice. So I joined that hackathon again after 2.5 years almost. So it was really great to see the same vibe, same culture. So I like to be a part of it again, and I feel very happy now.
So the most best part of this hackathon, I saw like the helpful nature of the organizer.
And the main thing is like I learned, so I see so many ideas which I can also do, and I see people do it for the community, and we can use it very freely. It was an amazing thing.
Win-win and Apify!